Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic. Today I'm excited to be showing you around this truly lovely 2017 Nissan Juke Tekna. Now this is the XTRONIC, which is a very rare to find in these Jukes, so that meaning an automatic gearbox. Finished in this lovely grey metallic paintwork. Now the Teknas come fully loaded with all your specifications. So we've got full 360 cameras, we've got Bluetooth phones, satellite navigation, and the list goes on. But this is a lovely example, truly cherished by the previous owners. We've got LED daytime running lights, we've got fog lamps, we're riding on these lovely diamond turned alloy wheels, all four alloys in nice order and riding on nice tyres. Then just looking down the side of the car, you'll struggle to find any dents or dings. Very nice straight panels. You'll struggle to find any bumper corner scuffs. You can tell the people that have owned this vehicle were meticulous owners. Inside then, no cloth in there, we've got full leather, part perforated sports seats which look fantastic. These are also heated as well. Leather multifunction steering wheel, we've got our 4 electric windows, child lock coming through to the back. Rear seats look like they've barely been sat in, they're in fantastic order. Isofix in the bottom for your child seats. And then just jumping inside, even bits and bobs that you don't really think about, like a centre armrest. This one's got a centre armrest, fantastic for those longer journeys. Bit of added storage in there. Under there you'll find your heated seats. We'll close the door. You've got a leather multifunction steering wheel. So on there you've got your cruise control and speed limiter, you've got Bluetooth phone, volume and media controls, we've got automatic lights, automatic wipers. The car basically does everything for you. And then as we're doing the video today, this vehicle's only covered 18,292 miles. Park folding mirrors. We've got traction control down there as well. Satellite navigation, as I mentioned before, CD player, full 360 cameras. Obviously as soon as you flick it into reverse, your reversing camera comes on with the guidance lines. Climate control, you've got all your power sports modes as well. But the gearbox is very nice and smooth. We've got a aux and USB in here as well for your music and your phone charging. We've got a nice folder full of service history, bills and receipts, the service books in there, your locking wheel nut. All the documentation which came with the vehicle from new is still with the vehicle there today. But a lovely car, driven it myself, drives absolutely spot on. If you'd like anything further on the vehicle, please do get in touch. You can give us a call on 01942 231123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. But thank you very much for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.